At SadoTech, we constantly innovate to create products that aim to make the lives of our customers easier and provide them with simple-to-use alert systems that are reliable and ready for everyday use. In a span of 4 years, we have redefined doorbells with innovative designs suitable for pet owners, teachers, and caregivers. This has helped us garner hundreds of positive customer reviews and have established SadoTech as the #1 best-selling doorbell on Amazon. Our latest innovative product is called the SadoTech Bell. The SadoTech Bell is our first multi-purpose doorbell designed for 4 different functions. Its first function is for caregivers and assisted living personnel to be used as an SOS emergency alert device. The SadoTech Bell includes a comfortable neck-worn lanyard to hold the transmitter close to the user anywhere they go. Paired with the portable vibrating receiver, the SadoTech Bell will give you the perfect assisted living care solution to send out alerts during times of stress or need. The Bell's transmitter button also comes with a bionic silicone cover that ensures waterproof protection against all forms of spillage. The second function of the SadoTech Bell allows you to use the device as a classic doorbell. With the help of our newly designed wall mount clip, you can easily mount and unmount the bell transmitter button on any flat surface. The third function of the SadoTech Bell is made for class management purposes. In the classroom setting, teachers can utilize the SadoTech Bell to immediately get their students' attention without shouting or yelling. Finally, as a fourth function, the SadoTech Bell can be used in large homes or businesses because of its expandable wireless radio frequency pairing technology. The SadoTech Bell can operate within a wireless range of 500 to 1,000 feet and has over 50 alert chimes to choose from with 4 adjustable volume levels. The SadoTech Bell can be used in large homes, multi-unit apartment buildings, office or business environments, and can also be paired with extra add-on buttons, receivers, or sensors. This is the SadoTech Bell, one doorbell with 4 functions, made to address all your basic alert system needs. Support the SadoTech Bell. It's the only doorbell you'll ever need. SadoTech Doorbells. We're here, ready, and always at your service.